Today our topic is Current Affairs Beats Part 4.
Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos.
Biodiversity International is headquartered in A. Rome, B. Geneva, C. Washington DC, D. Berlin. The correct option is B. Geneva. Biodiversity International is a global research partnership for a food secure future. It is headquartered in Rome, Italy. United Nations Office on Drug and Crime is headquartered in. The options are A. The Hague, Netherlands, B. Vienna, Austria, C. Washington DC, US, D. None of these. The correct option is B. Vienna, Australia. The United Nations Office on Drug and Crime is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. It was established in 1997. Where is the headquarters of the International Telecommunication Union located? The given options are A. Geneva, Switzerland, B. Rome, Italy, C. Kathmandu, Nepal, D. Beijing, China. The correct option is A. Geneva, Switzerland. The International Telecommunication Union is originally known as the International Telegraph Union. It is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. What is full form of TRAI? Options are A. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, B. Telecom Regulatory Association of India, C. Telecom Reference Authority of India, D. Telecommuter Regulatory Authority of India. The option A is correct answer. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Full form of TRAI is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. TRAI was established in 1997 under Section 3 of TRAI Act 1997. Who coined the phrase Unity in Diversity to describe India? A. Narendra Modi, B. Ramnath Kovind, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct option is D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru coined the phrase Unity in Diversity to describe India. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He received Bharat Ratna in 1955. Which of the following countries recently agreed to work with India on a national campaign of water conservation in India? The given options are A. Israel, B. Japan, C. Russia, D. Turkey. The given option is A. Israel. The correct answer. Israel agreed to work with India on a national campaign for water conservation in India. It will be help for the country in water conservation in India. Who is the High Commissioner of India in London? The given options are A. K.M. Chandrasekhar, B. Raja Madhav, C. Ruchi Ghanshyam, D. M.S. Sujita Singh. The option C is correct one. Ruchi Ghanshyam. Senior diplomat Ruchi Ghanshyam has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Do share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.